Yay! So, I'm finally uploading this video for the 102 Dalmatians Puppies to the Rescue glitch. And as you can see, that's how you do it. One thing that I recommend doing, because it won't work if you don't do it this way, is whatever button you press to go to the left, press it before you press the button to roll, because if you press the rolling button first, it won't work. And then you can see, in order, the way I control the dog when it's in this state is press the jump button that you use, and then if you want to go down, press the roll button, and then go back up with the space, or the jump. I use the space bar as my jump, so. And then if you want to get out of the area, just, yeah. So, thanks.